10841 Southeast Ariel Terrace, stands as a rare offering in Water's Edge, one of Jupiter's most exclusive gated enclaves. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath residence blends timeless architectural detail with modern coastal luxury. Inside, soaring ceilings, custom millwork, and expansive windows flood the home with natural light. The chef's kitchen boasts high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and a generous island designed for both everyday living and effortless entertaining. The primary suite serves as a private retreat with a spa-inspired bath, dual sinks, whirlpool tub, separate shower, and direct access to the lanai. Additional features include impact glass throughout, wood flooring, a central vacuum system, and thoughtfully designed spaces such as a family room and dedicated office. Step outside to a private pool oasis framed by lush landscaping and tranquil views, where spacious covered areas create the perfect setting for year-round relaxation and gatherings. Living here means more than owning a beautiful home, it's embracing the Jupiter lifestyle. From morning walks along quiet, palm-lined streets to afternoons spent on the water or exploring award-winning restaurants, every day offers a new way to enjoy Florida's Treasure Coast. Top-rated schools, boutique shopping, and vibrant community events are all part of the experience. With 16 golf courses within 15 miles, you're surrounded by some of the best golf in Florida. At least 8 marinas or boat docking facilities within a 10-mile range, blending public, private, resort-style, and community club options. With easy access to the Intracoastal and Atlantic for world-class boating and fishing, this home offers a complete lifestyle for those who appreciate both elegance and adventure.